Hi everybody, welcome to SoJooCars. It's been a long time since I tried to somehow mirror my device to this 11-inch monitor in the second row. Now you need some materials just to make it work. It took me a while to really make it work. So first you need your Google Chromecast, and then it comes with the HDMI and also the power supply, and it's all there, the HDMI and the USB charge port. So once you turn on the engine, it's going to turn on and there's going to be a light there that it's functioning. And then you need to have your pocket data or any kind of, probably a phone that can do hotspot. Now I have a SIM card inserted inside. It has some data, yes. So I have yet to know if it will work even without data. But last time when I tried it without a SIM card at all, it did not work. So now I'm not sure if it was just the SIM card or it really requires you to have data. But my guess is that you don't need data. You just need this as a portal. So once you have your Google Chromecast and your hotspot device and your mobile phone that I'm using right now, you can start to mirror things here. Now I have set up the Google Chrome already. I have set that thing up to connect to this pocket data, meaning once I turn on the engine, that Google Chrome is going to turn on and it's gonna connect automatically to this. And let's start the car first. So I have the key, but I'm here in the second row. So how am I going to turn on the engine? Okay, one hand on the brake and one hand on the start. Yeah, it worked. It worked there. So our car started and there's aircon, thank God. All this Terra, they come with a monitor. They come with a remote, very big remote with really few buttons. Yep. It also comes with a holder. So let's check our Google Chromecast. It's turned on. Right. There's a button here, so if you hold on to it for a long time, it's going to reset. So I'm telling you guys, you need to have a Google Chromecast. You need to have a pocket data. And I forgot to tell you, but you need to have Google Home downloaded. I'm going to put a link down below. So once that's done, it's going to work. So make sure your Google Chromecast is turned on and your pocket data is turned on and your engine is turned on. And also your monitor turned on like that. So these pictures are coming right from the Google Chromecast. It's like a slideshow or screensaver. You have the time. Oh, 7:42, I need to go. So let's see. The name of the Wi-Fi network of my pocket data is Nissan Terra. So as you can see, it's connected here, and I just did direct mirroring that's available on my phone, and I did not even open the Google Home per se, because I have set this up already, meaning my phone is already connected to this, my Google Chromecast is connected to this. And what's happening now is you can see what I'm shooting right now. This is real time, guys. real time. So how cool is that? Now I need to show you how to make the sound actually come out from the car's audio, because it didn't work the first time I did it. So let me show you. So you have the infotainment. You see that rear display? So you need to find your source. Normally you might be here. So this is the menu, the main menu. You press audio. Then you find here source. Press source. And then you press rear display. So it says their sound for rear display is now playing on the cabin speakers. Let me try that. So I cannot do two things at the same time with my phone alone. So I'm using a split screen right now. I was hoping that it will work at the same time, but no. So once I stop my phone from recording, this thing will play and the sound actually comes out through the speakers. Isn't that amazing, guys? After how many days, I finally found out how to do it. Well, because I wasn't a really user of Google Chromecast. So guys, if I have somehow helped you, please click that like button. Comment down below if you're stuck somewhere. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you everybody for supporting the channel. This has been SoJooCars. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.